Hi everyone, I am Surajit from Advent Informatics. I am here to showcase some of the exciting features in JChem for Office bundles. JChem for Office is a Office plugin enabling chemistry in Microsoft Office documents provided by Chemexon. And I'm curious to understand, are some of these features also available with your existing Office plugin? So in most of the cases, if we have to draw a chemical structure or have a chemical structure in a Word document, we would typically open a chemical editor, draw the structure there, then copy it and paste it here. Now, let's say, for example, in this case, you can see the screen, I have some description about aspirin. Now, if I want a structure of aspirin, I would have to open a chemical editor and then come back into this Word document and paste it, whatever structure I have drawn in the chemical editor. But if you're using JChem for Office, you can very easily solve that problem. Now, for example, if I have aspirin here, I can just select that text and I can just click from text. It will get converted into the structure. And if I double click on it, it opens up Marvin, which is showing that it is an editable structure and I can edit the structure also. However, in this case, I will not edit the structure and click on OK. Now, is it that can we just handle common names? What if we have a IUPAC name? So for example, I have an IUPAC name and I can just select this same IUPAC name and as the same option from text, it will again convert it into a structure. Now, in case of smiles, I can use from text or from smiles, right? So you've already seen from text works for multiple occasions. Now we will use from smiles. So you can see this again gets converted into the structure. And what if you have cast numbers? So in case of cast numbers also, I can have this selected and I just write from text. So please remember, when you are converting cast number to structure using JChem for Office, your structure is sent to a public server. So you should be careful while considering this option. Okay, so now you can see that it has converted all of them. So now if I want to go back to my text-based structures, text-based document, I can always do Ctrl-Z and you can see that I am going back to the same, right? So this is not the only option to have a structure in Office document. So if I want to have a structure drawn from scratch, what I can do is I use this option, that is edit. Rather than opening up the chemical editor somewhere else, I can also use this and I can click on add. It will open the chemical editor, that is Marvin, and I can just click on OK. It will have the structure here. Okay. So we will continue this series with a lot more exciting features. See you soon.